The M in I shampoo stands for metaphor. And this is another one you may be familiar with. But a metaphor is a direct comparison of two unlike things. And by direct, I mean it does not use like or as. For an example, the junior high boys are wild animals. It doesn't say like wild animals, it says they are wild animals. This is a metaphor because it doesn't use like or as, and it compares junior high boys to wild animals. They may be similar, but they're not actually the same thing. And here are some examples from literature. All the world's a stage, and men and women are merely players. This is a very famous metaphor by William Shakespeare from the play As You Like It. Now he's comparing the world to a stage, and the men and women are in the world are actors. And so by this he means everything that we do is like a play. Everything, all the people who are in the world are actors, and we're just doing what we're told to do. But this metaphor is a lot more powerful than just saying everybody's just doing what they're told to do. Here's a famous line from the movie Titanic. I'm the king of the world. And this is when Leonardo DiCaprio is standing at the front of the boat and he's looking out over the ocean, and he's imagining himself the king of the world. Of course, he's not actually the king of the world, but he feels like it at that moment in time. And one last example is from the poem Bereft, and it's by Robert Frost. Leaves got up in a coil and hissed, blindly struck at my knee and missed. So the leaves are coiling up like a snake. However, he's not saying it's like a snake, and he's not actually using the word snake. He's painting the picture of the leaves coming up around his legs, swirling around him, with his words, rather than saying the leaves were a snake or were like a snake. This kind of metaphor is a little harder to figure out exactly what he's talking about, but it does add a lot more flavor and texture to your writing than just saying something directly. So, leaves got up in a coil and hissed, blindly struck at my knee and missed. A metaphor by Robert Frost.